Cook that shit up, Lucky.
Y'all niggas never been here, Revolution.
YouTube. So y'all, it is the next day, and today we got some excursions that we're going to be doing. We're going to the only rainforest in the United States, because Puerto Rico is technically in the United States, y'all. So we about to go there. We about to go down the water slide, and we're also about to. Y'all will see. Just stay tuned. But we about to leave out in a minute. The Uber on the way to come and grab us. So yeah, we have to put these lemon pepper steppers on too, y'all. Let me know if y'all fuck with those. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right to this thing.
I've been getting to it on my own. 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 You say you want this fucking money, nigga, what is funny? I told you you gotta keep on grinding if you really hungry. Yeah, I thought that I left them in the past. Man, I had my head down up in the class. Go.
So, we got
Gave us an A+ in that.
No.
we got on these life jackets, y'all.
Today's not the day to mess around.
Yeah.
This is
It's hot as fuck
So
outside.
if something goes wrong with you in the water, I'm about 15 to 20 seconds away from coming to get you. So if you panic when you hit the water, you're gonna be alone for 15 to 20 seconds. That's why I'm letting you know now. You're an adult, you know if you can swim. So if you don't know how to swim, just stay at the halfway point.
Y'all heard him, y'all. He said if we don't know how to swim, don't get in that motherfucker. Y'all, so we starting the adventure right now.
So
This
we
our
have
tour
one
guide.
birthday. Anybody else celebrating anything? No. Nope, just here on vacation? Just here on vacation?
It's hot as hell.
Where's your birthday boy again?
Bro birthday, bro.
Roast.
Richard. What can I call you?
Roast.
Ralph?
Bro, all right.
What? No, Ro, okay.
Y'all, they said we about to be walking through like waist deep water and shit. Look at this shit right here, y'all. See that shit? That shit look kind of crazy.
So just a quick little bit about me. I'm from Missouri. I've been living here for 3 years.
Fire.
A plane. Now during the pandemic, my business collapsed. I had a refrigeration business. It was kind of going under, and a competitor offered to buy us out. So we sold out while we could before we lost money. And I came and visited some friends, and the next thing you know, I live here.
Yeah, I don't think I'm leaving either.
Man.
And then I moved here at 45. My whole life, I pretty much lived in the same town I was born in.
Oh, yeah, my clumsy ass.
Nothing. Have y'all seen iguanas yet? Since y'all been out here? Yeah, they in our backyard at our Airbnb. Y'all, I'm not used to this muddy shit.
That's all we got where we from.
For real?
We're gonna see a lot of mud. Just get used to it. Your shoes are off.
That's cool.
You want to throw them away before we even film back
Talk a
out
lot of
there?
shit. Feel free to talk it back. I don't care. This right here is the flower of Puerto Rico. This is the lamaga. It's a hibiscus flower, but not actually used to make tea out of. Somehow in the realm of things, this flower right here is closer to cotton.
Niggas are really in the middle of the rainforest right now, y'all. So y'all can't cut this tree down.
That's what I'm doing. I'm not falling.
Y'all, this is my first time hiking. This shit, no ho, can't lie. But anyway, y'all see the hell going on. Got them lemon pepper steppers on. I swear. He in the wrong hood.
That's rude.
If you're hungover, this is the cure. Sit down in it.
And now the first this water is cold.
Sit down in this water, don't feel that flat. As you cross the
Cold?
river, stay on small rocks.
Yeah.
The big flat rocks are very slippery. The very first rock, the big flat one, missed it. Go in the middle, go around them.
Wait, but your phone. I didn't bring my phone. The camera's broken. True. There's no reason.
I damn near shouldn't have wore socks. I ain't even think of that part. Fuck it. Who? Somebody filming it? I knew Beam ass was gonna fall. I told you.
Please don't let me fall.
Y'all, I gotta start recording real quick. I gotta lock in. Here I come, gang. You know me, I'm a little patient with my shit. I'm back in the water with it, y'all. Oh. Niggas cannot slip and fall out here. That shit down there might hurt for real. No cap. How you feeling, Roski?
Y'all niggas never been here, bro.
No cap. These niggas have not experienced a rainforest. This shit fire though, y'all. I'm gonna get to y'all a little bit later though, cause I gotta lock in while we going through this water. Cause my nigga beamed and fell already, and I can't fall. Y'all, so we hiking through the forest right now. This shit look fun, I ain't gonna lie. Worth my $57. Can't lie to you.
To save our first one, got canceled.
Do y'all expect Seth Fisher to make it up this bitch?
No, I don't actually. But we keep it.
Yeah,
Hold on to
Seth,
the side. Just hold on to the
Seth, I really don't expect you to get up here.
Seth, if you give up, we
side. You guys
understand.
see the big tail? No, where? That's so cool. There's a lot of
This is so crazy, y'all. Y'all ain't never experienced nothing like
He
that.
goes to the next one.
There we go.
Yeah, right.
You feel me, Seth? Y'all, so they just told us when we come up, we gotta come back down the same way, y'all.
Man, I'm about to slide there, so y'all gonna scoot my butt down.
Don't bust your hip now, old man.
Hey, y'all, this shit should have bobbed though. Yeah, Roski, I feel you though.
We can go. We must be going.
Hey, this moving.
No, that was me. That was me there.
Run. You're okay. You scared me. I'm like, wait, this can't really hold.
Look,
I didn't know how.
You're fine.
Y'all, so we gotta go all the way up here. And we gotta come down. And we already halfway up.
All right, I need them to start pushing though.
Yeah, me and Rashard every day after fourth time. No, I was not. I didn't go to school until second grade. Here's what I'm saying, but then after fourth time, I believe it's for that school. For that Zaka bread.
I feel like that will be. What's on it?
Swear. Y'all side? I climbed on the other side. They finally get up here.
Okay, we did that.
I feel like this. You heard me?
Yeah, I feel powerful. My butt probably over. Okay. I see what
Y'all made it to the beginning.
You feel me, Jason? The guys that way? Yeah.
like what?
Excuse me, I'm sorry. Hurry your bitch asses up, man. You feel me? Get your bitch asses up here, man. Y'all moving slow.
That one way up busted my head. I ain't gonna lie, that was steep as hell.
Nobody
We
fell?
never did that.
Nah.
Good.
Yeah, I ain't falling no more.
Nah, the rest of it, I'm promising y'all, we'll go back.
I'm taking you to the best mojito party on the island, Mojito Lab.
Oh, okay. I saw that on the way here. I definitely want to try that.
It's about a $17 mojito, but you're going to be fucked up, okay?
Say that.
They're strong mojitos for sure.
Okay, another question.
Y'all, stepping in this mud really got me feeling some type of way a little bit, but it's okay.
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, so it's in the same area.
I can leave you there. You want to spend the day there? You can get out, and I'll give you also another local driver's name. You can't find Uber, but you'll find Ubers there. But I'll leave you another name for somebody if you want to. If you don't,
Y'all, this shit's so nasty.
I would all five before. When I drop you off, for lunch, you need to tell me then to take the
I don't get past the first round of roast.
Me and Roast Group playing UFC 4. Yeah, you can, but they don't make a lot of money, and it costs you about $50.
See, I knew that one was mine when it said $8
Ginger plant type shit.
Ginger tea.
Jay said, well,
You got a YouTube or something?
Yeah.
blazers like,
Oh, nice.
looks like you took these bitches to floor field.
I have a YouTube channel too.
Bet.
National running sport, that's even crazy.
She said she had a YouTube channel. I said, don't watch it. It's okay, she thinks I'm so old.
Oh, this is a crazy experience, I ain't gonna lie. We ain't even get to the water slide and shit yet.
Thank you, love. Happy's group. Let's keep it moving.
Say that.
Turn me up, lady.
I'm ready to throw this away.
That should look crazy. Damn.
Doing white people shit.
just rope dived and I just cliff dived and I just went down the waterfall all in
I
one.
can't believe I did it. Sam, you know I'm a
I ain't gonna lie.
I can't believe I just did all that. Other than the
I'm in this bitch.
I don't get
Tired, y'all.
I knew there's
The
absolutely
backflip was crazy.
grab on.
Y'all gonna see the backflip in a minute, y'all. We couldn't record, but the tour guide recorded for us. My nigga Rusky B-Day, man. We went up. He ain't go on the rope. He was scared after that cliff. I feel it.
I told you I ain't
It
doing
was so bad.
How you enjoy it?
I need to have
Alright, shit. Okay. How did y'all enjoy it? It was fun. Where Beam at? Yeah. Beam right there. Y'all, so we on the walk back. I'm ashy as hell, y'all.
You know he faked it,
But it's okay. I'll get to my lotion sooner or later.
Yeah, Ronnie 2K son.
But we just finished the excursion. Nah, we about to go get some drinks at the bar. Hola.
Oh, estoy bien. I got that.
I'm stupid.
I'm stupid.
Yeah, we're aware. I'm fucking with you, man.
That shit was funny, gang. Our tour guide, a comedian, dog.
Ain't he?
Man.
Alright, y'all. So this ends the excursion. Everybody had a good time back there? My dog got a pineapple.
Yep.
How you feel?
We had a great time.
We had a great time. Great time.
Alright, y'all. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we at the beach. It's bright as hell out here. Y'all had a good time at the beach? Yeah? Look at the vibe, y'all. I was supposed to be recording the whole time, but I didn't want to.
At the thing, the rainforest.
I didn't want to drop it. We just made it here. About to see what's in there. So, hola. Look, it looks nice here, y'all. About to see what's in there. Got that shit on. That's outside. That's sweet. I ain't gonna lie. This is what it looks like, y'all.
We're actually outside. Ain't it raw?
Anyway, y'all. This time I'm gonna show y'all what we actually get.
That's paid.
And it's 9:30. It's raining though, but we still about to vibe out. You know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned for the rest of the vlog, man. Thirsty ass nigga.
Damn. Oh, lie.
We ordering the food right now, y'all. But this shit in Spanish. Per usual, as y'all know already on this trip.
Price is talking crazy.
Can I get the racist steak burger?
I'll get the...
With no plantain. Good little drink. Thank you.
A tropical kiss.
Where the fuck my daiquiri?
The camera would ask, where the fuck did you drink at?
Where the hell my drink?
Oh, here, come here, come
It's
here.
okay. Bet. Thank you. Gracias. Yeah. De nada. Alright, y'all. So, I just got my food. My nigga Beam putting that shit down. Jason putting that shit down. Chanel putting that shit down. Sam and Broski put that shit down. So I'm about to go ahead and put that shit down. You feel me? I'll see y'all after that. Alright, y'all. So we just leaving the restaurant. I ain't gonna lie, that steak burger was crazy. Like fire.
I don't know what the fuck I got.
That shit was good though. Y'all don't get access like us, man. They close the restaurant down when we come in that bit and open it back up when we leaving. But we about to go to Walgreens so we can get this little stuff so we can make these mixed drinks at the B&B. And then we probably gonna go back out later, but if not, just stay tuned. Hey, say man, we standing on some shit right now, but we outside. Say y'all. But anyway, it's kind of dead right now because it's a Monday, but we still drinking. Yeah, the clubs are still kind of open.
You get a Corona? Of course you did. With a lime? Of course you go to Pizza City. Maybe get a couple of drinks. Hit the beach. Let me see that camera. Let me see that camera. What up?
I got on jeans.
Hola. How you flip that bitch, Ron? How you flip that? Oh yeah, right here.
Like that.
Stupid. Hey, this nigga stay getting Corona with his lame ass. Who the fuck drink beer in 2024?
Y'all having a good time?
Oh yeah, good time. Smile to the camera.
Oh, just threw a bottle at Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico don't owe me shit. Puerto Rico don't owe me nothing. Love Puerto Rico.
Y'all need to go to Mexico.
Yeah,
that's next up for real. That's
I've been
next
to
up for
Mexico.
real.
Really?
Yeah.
How was it?
Great.
You guys are so cute. I don't really like men like that, but they're cute.
Thank you.
Hey y'all, this might conclude the vlog, but if y'all made it this far, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's the Puerto Rico trip, man. Last night here, we went up, ended with a bang. So yeah.
Remember whipping my 200, they ain't noticed. Now I'm in a big body, they on focus. I've been tripping on the girl, big motion.